Every year we recognize Bay East members who have excelled in their profession, in their contributions to the association, and in their efforts in the community. We had many outstanding candidates in 2024, and we recognize the following members at the 2025 inaugural. The 2024 Realtor of the Year is Steve Medeiros. The Realtor of the Year not only serves their profession but their communities, participating in civic activities, serving in leadership positions, and providing professional service to their clients. The Rookie of the Year is given to a newly licensed, full-time realtor. The Rookie of the Year must serve on a Bay East committee or work group, demonstrate high principles of integrity, and adhere to the Realtor Code of Ethics. Hueli Liao received the Rookie of the Year. The Bay East Platinum affiliates support the realtor community and partner with us to make homeownership possible. To earn this award, a Platinum affiliate must serve on a Bay East committee or work group and demonstrate their commitment to the industry in civic and association acts of service with high professional standards and cooperation with members. Our 2024 Platinum Affiliate of the Year is Susan Munkner. Ashila Cunha is the 2024 Outstanding Leader. This award recognizes a past Bay East president who continues their leadership journey by serving Bay East and the real estate profession. This winner not only remains active at Bay East, she has also been a leader at the state level, advocating and promoting the interests of homeowners. Joe Laparo received the Good Neighbor of the Year award. This award recognizes Joe by his contribution to the charitable organization that is close to his heart, the George Mark Children's House. The George Mark Children's House provides compassionate care to enhance quality of life for children with serious medical conditions and their families. Jennifer Brancini is the 2024 John Dietrich Distinguished Service Award winner. This award honors a Bay East member who exemplifies the self-sacrifice, vision, and accomplishments of the greatest leaders who have shaped the real estate profession. Congratulations to all the 2024 award winners. We appreciate all you have done for the real estate industry and are proud to have you as Bay East members.